Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to turn off your device firstly. Then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time after your device completely turns off. When you're in this kind of menu, in this menu you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. When you see this kind of Android robot image and no command message under it on the screen, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test and power off. If you want to exit this mode, you can select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select the first option, reboot system now, and restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.